The name of this dish is mushu pork. Ingredients: pork tenderloin, eggs, carrot, cucumber, fungus, scallion. First, cut the tenderloin into even-sized slices. Put the sliced meat into a bowl. Add a pinch of salt to the bowl. Add a little pepper. Add a spoonful of dark soy sauce and mix well with your hands. Add 2 spoons of cooking wine. Mix evenly with your hands. Add an egg white. Place the remaining egg yolks in another bowl. Then continue to mix with your hands. Add a spoonful of cooking oil to lock in the moisture of the meat and prevent it from sticking together. Then mix well and set aside. Add the remaining 2 eggs to the bowl with the egg yolks. Beat and mix well and set aside. Tear the fungus into appropriate sizes and place them on a plate for later use. Place carrot and cucumber slices on a plate. Chop the green onion and set aside. Next, let's make a soy sauce. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add a small spoonful of chicken stock. A teaspoon of sugar. Add 2 spoons of soy sauce. A spoonful of dark soy sauce. 3 spoons of cooking wine. Add 2 tablespoons of starch. Pour in half a bowl of water and stir well and set aside. Now the preparation is complete. Heat the pan and pour cooking oil into it. When the oil is hot and starts to smoke, pour the prepared eggs into the pan and fry them, then set aside. Pour a little cooking oil into the pot.
Pour in the prepared meat.
Pour in the chopped green onions you just prepared and continue to stir fry. After the meat is cooked, add the prepared vegetables. Pour the scrambled eggs into the pan. Stir fry for a while and pour in the prepared sauce. Stir fry for a while and pour in the prepared sauce. You're done.